That is meant to be at the sound of a bell. Did you get that? Maybe a ding, ding, ding. That would be more of a jingle bell. It's not that kind of bell. It is Argo Blockchain in New York City, baby. New York Stock Exchange. They're ringing the opening bell today at 2:30 p.m. UK time, and whatever the equivalent is in America. Very exciting, great exposure, and we're going to talk about that and a few other pieces in today's video. Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. Hope, of course, you're all well. Argo Blockchain, as I said, we're going to get into the charts and stuff. I've just been really busy recently. My videos haven't been as frequent as I would like. Working on my trading course, which a lot of people have asked about because they're sick of holding the bag. Everything's going down. Rewind about 3 months ago, I was sort of a third in, 2/3 out cash. I'm more of a 50-50 at this stage. And that is recently 2/3 in. I've been stripping out again some profits, but I've been doing a lot of swing trading, and I think swing trading is the best way to capitalize in these uncertain times. So I'm trying to bring that course to people, and that will aid you in how, and we'll go through examples of where I would be buying, where I'd be selling, and we're just in the process of working out a reasonable price. Bear with me, that's coming. I've also been super busy with my friend Carl Frampton. Don't know if any of you know his name. He is a 2-weight boxing champion. This is his YouTube page. Go on, give him a follow. He is a dear friend, but what I am doing is working in the background, trying to make his YouTube channel better, because as you can see here, his view count is less than mine, and that is criminal when you consider this guy has a worldwide following. So we're going to work on that. So I've been super busy doing all this anyway, completely sidetracked. Argo Blockchain, let's go. Just want to bring everybody to this. This came out really worth a watch, anyone that's interested in Argo Blockchain. It's a long enough one, over an hour long, but that's good, gets you good insight. It's kind of more relaxed conversation. Plenty of talk about Argo, plenty of talk about Peter. I think it's great. I love Peter Wall. I think he's a great guy. He definitely seems to be honest and genuine, and I love what Argo Blockchain are about. The sustainable energy, giving back to Dickens County. Yes, these kind of things are going to cost the company money. It could be, is it necessary to drive revenue? In the short term, it's not going to make a difference. It's probably going to cost the company money, as we know. But I love the feel-good factor that it gives, and I think it's building good foundations for the future. So I'm all for that. The old story is you spend money to make money, and I think they're building a good foundation here that will see them going forward. So watch that video. I'm not going to talk any more about that. If you go to their Twitter page, then there was Q&A that came out a while ago as well. That only came out on the 19th, so you can go down here and read all the questions. A lot of the stuff we've covered on the channel, I'm not going to go into it. If you're new to Argo, you might as well check it out, definitely. If we go here, we can also see what I really wanted to show you. Look at this, baby. All the steel members in, the slabs in. So in the last video, we were talking about the rebar going in, which is the strength material that you put into concrete. That all goes down, and then the concrete gets poured into that to build the slab. So we can see that's went the whole way in, that's been done, and now all these steel members are all going in. I mean, there's another project that we cover in this channel, ABML, and these projects have started roughly about the same time. Argo was first, granted. But the progress Argo's making is leaps and bounds ahead. We can see here in this picture here, that looks to be maybe where the substations are going. Correct me if I'm wrong, anybody, but we can see all this progress anyway, and there's plenty of activity there. You know, you can see a good lot of rigs, diggers, cars, so there is plenty happening. I'm really loving that. And then here we go. T-Day, T-1 day to our NASDAQ opening bell ceremony, and as I said at the start of the video, that is today. At the end of this video, to have the opening bell on the video. If I can't, if I'm busy, I have a meeting at 2:45, so I might not be able to edit the video and get it out in time. If I can, I will put it there, but if not, there'll be plenty, I'm sure, on Argo's Blockchain's website of that historic day. And what I see happening, people are going, oh, well, you know, what's this going to mean for Argo Blockchain? I don't think it'll mean too much. It's great exposure. Maybe if anybody's sitting at home that are interested in blockchains and see, oh, Argo Blockchain, oh, what that is, and then maybe they look at the market cap PE ratio, you know, get an idea of the petahash ratios, the new factory, they might go, oh, I like the sound of this. You know, the climate positive, all the good things that we love about Argo Blockchain. Maybe it'll open the eyeballs for a few other people to see that, and then they'll see why we're getting so excited about it. So that's what I'm hoping for. Am I going to expect to see a 15% jump today? Absolutely not. So anything is a bonus today. Let's have a look at the charts. Completely off topic though, TradingView's doing their Black Friday sale. 60% off, phenomenal. It depends on the trader you are. I love their volume profiling. Don't care really about trading in 1 second. It's just a gamble really, but I think it's worthwhile paying for Pro, and you're getting that for about £80, I think. In the UK, literally works out at £6 a month because you're getting 13 months for that, and they say that price will never change. So to me, for £6 a month, it is worth it all day, even just to stop the bloody annoying pop-up ad. Anyway, that aside, so my last video was on the 18th, and I sort of said like Argo blockchain, you know, it was above the buy, but I said it wasn't strong. Chances are it was a bit bearish. It was nothing more than a hold. It was the summary of the last video, and since then, on that day, we had fell below, and that's just the way that it is. But we are currently in and around, 5% down from those kind of moments. Now, it looks to be creeping ever so slightly up, but pretty much sitting flat. We definitely have good volume, good support coming in here. This sort of whole area, a lot of buying activity. That's what the volume's showing us here. A lot of buying, little strength. I normally only use this really for crypto, but it can give us guidance here. So there is plenty of activity. These are good prices. If you're still thinking about opening a position, if you are able to get it in the lower end of 17, it's not a bad time to have a nibble for sure. MACD is going down, doesn't look too great, and the RSI, it's inclined, but it's slap bang in the middle really. And the ARB ticker symbol, we can see we are up 0.5% today. The sell symbols came in, we're below our averages, and the MACD's come down, and just like the last one, the RSI slap bang in the middle. Nothing too exciting there. You can see though, there is a lot of volume, a lot of buying in and around this price, which is looking good. It sort of started tumbles off around 144. So look, we're in this kind of channel. We're just going to kind of go sideways, and the reason I believe that we're just kind of going to go sideways is because crypto. Let me just clear this up, guys. This is crazy. We'll get rid of this Fibonacci. Remember when I drew that wee plane? Things were looking so good then. So the last time we talked about, we drew this line, we sort of said in and around the 56, 57,000 was sort of our last ditch hope of support, in my opinion. Otherwise we were going to fall. And where I see us falling to now is roughly about 51,000 and a half potentially, because we can see here that there was no buying here, because you can kind of see this range. See this range right here? There's really nothing happening. There's not much volume, not much trading, so I don't see why we wouldn't fall down. Now there is good support in and around the 55. I'd be sort of timing it maybe closer to the end of the year, so 54. Yeah. It's just has such a gap up, such a raise up, that I just feel that this is going to probably fall more, but it's still dancing around this support level. So like, we haven't fully made a decision what way we're going to go, but it doesn't look too good for the crypto. That is obviously going to feed into our Argo blockchain. If Bitcoin and crypto in general can turn around, it'll go straight up. So that's what I'm looking to see in the next short term. Crypto turning around. I'm looking forward to seeing today, obviously, the ringing of the bell. I just want to go on to my Buy Me a Coffee page. A couple of great people here. Keep up the good work, bud. Looking forward to your course. That was Davey Carl. Thank you very much. I went back to you. And then we have Ben, who just came in yesterday. Keep up the good work. Looking forward to the training videos. It's coming, I promise you. I really appreciate everybody helping me out here. It's keeping me going because I'm going through a lot of coffee at the moment. Thank you to everyone though that is helping support the channel. I really do appreciate that. And if you just want to support the channel in an easy way, feel free to like, subscribe. All that helps the YouTube algorithm. Drop your comments down below. That helps the video go more. Spread the word of the channel and also spread the word of Argo. I'll catch you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace. Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.